In this video, we're going to cover a brief introduction to DegreeWorks to help you with your advising and registration process. So first you want to go to my.charlotte.edu and log in with your NinerNet credentials. You can click the NinerNet login button and you'll always see this screen whenever you're expected to enter your NinerNet ID and the associated password. Fill in your username and password and click login. If you're prompted to do duo authentication, then please do so. Your student home screen should look something like this. To get to DegreeWorks, you want to look for the green and gold cog with the words DegreeWorks on it under your quick links in the right-hand side. You can click either the icon or the words. The default view is what's called worksheet view. It's going to show you at the very top your student ID, your name, and the degree that you're seeking. If you happen to already be a declared double major, for example, and your majors fall under different degrees, for example, one is in Bachelor of Science and one is a Bachelor of Arts, then you will have a drop-down box here where you can choose which you would like to look at. There's a lot of other useful information in the top. And just so you're aware, the email button in the top right corner will allow you to email your advisors. Underneath that first box of general information, you have two options. You have academic and you have what if. The what if is really useful for looking at different scenarios, like if I change my major, what would happen? If I change my concentration, what would happen? If I add a minor, what would happen? I'm not going to cover the details of the what if page in this video, but it's very useful, and I would recommend you talk to your advisor about how to use it if you're confused about it at all in the future. A little bit farther down the page, you will see a block that summarizes your entire degree. In this example, it's a Bachelor of Science degree where 120 credits are required. All bachelor's degrees require 120 credits. And this credits applied number, in this case 32, tells you exactly how many credits are already applied towards your degree. In DegreeWorks, credits applied counts your credits that you've already completed, whether they're transferred in or they're done here at Charlotte, and it also includes your currently registered courses. There's also some little check boxes here of, do you have the 120 credit hours total needed to graduate? Have you taken at least 30 hours here at Charlotte? Do you have a 2.0 overall GPA or higher? Have you completed all general education requirements? Have you completed all major requirements? The empty red circle means that it is not completed. The half-filled blue circle means that it's currently in progress. And the green circle with a check mark means that it's completely finished. The next block that most of you will see is the general education block. This is the same for all bachelor students, but based on what you've already taken, you might see different things filled in here. So everyone must take a writing and inquiry in academic contexts course. That's your words course. Everyone must take 2 math and logical reasoning courses. Everyone must take 2 science courses, one with a lab, and the other can be without the lab. Scrolling a little bit farther down that box, you'll also see themes of liberal education for private and public life. Every bachelor student must take 1 course in the arts and society, which will be LBST 110 something, and then some general liberal studies courses in history, global and intercultural connections, ethical issues, critical thinking, and communication. You need 3 courses total here. Every student needs a W course and an O course. And every student must take a CTC course, Critical Thinking and Communication course. Be sure to consult with the pre-registration advising information that's been provided to you on Canvas for exactly what is recommended within general education for your major. Below the general education block, you should see other blocks, including any majors or minors that you've declared and your progress on any requirements for those majors, minors, or other possible requirements. When you're thinking about which general education courses you want to register for, you should consult with DegreeWorks and make sure you don't take something that you've already received credit for. For example, this student already has their 1000 level LBST course fulfilled. If they enroll in LBST 1103, that will not fill in any of their other general education slots because they've already fulfilled the one course at the 1000 level that's needed. So especially if you're transferring in credits, I would recommend that you consult this and make sure you're registering for exactly the courses that you still need.